Kel's Films.
Kel's Films.
Careful. Subscribe.
Careful. Kel's Films. Haha, na Jojo. Every nyanko. Kel's Films.
Watch and share.
The papa bia a horna ever.
Kel's Films.
Number 1.
Oh yeah, no there. Pastor Shizy. Say now oh yeah there. Oh yeah. Amen.
Amen. Me das.
XP.
So.
Who of
Na so for you now TSB.
Same thing from Pastor Shizy.
Me
Who say me study watch it. Oh, you baby a bupa. Ma study watch it. Oh area and I say mantemwa. E bu me hu wa for what to go. But I say only my dinam. Say guy me hu ni na me long day. Emma ni bu na mo ke so yate but because of something me twa so guy bi na when you say na no.
Me so me ni shut up for sa no bi nanti.
Oh, e bi a we fi ba me tini ka ba hu nya da bia to nchen. I came here for the word that will be redeemed from your captivity.
So see.
Amani ha enti na mo wa me ti bi am dead by it. Kristo ni ba so ye. Ni Kristo ya me hu ni. Ki also be na me ni say na ko chief na ni ni you can punish me to heaven. The Bible say enche or back no be ni be free. And you want a guy say on one face say and no me take you to heaven. You never go to heaven. Sani maybe. Say say me be talk am say me na say. Ya me tell you say. Say me hu mo be ni see. Also ba.
Amen no.
Asaya. Me mama on shin bi. Na we e mo rewe no we me a me se kwa ba wani.
Sa.
Enkasa me ya dawo. Wo fu. Oh, na de ba ku bia. E me dem wa. We a want here say. Bible say me expose your body. As who kumpe. Say dem ba bi you kun. Yes mama be asenya.
So.
Oh me feel. Bomba ko ka ho.
So.
Bomba ko ka ho.
So.
We win too far. Ba wini many ande. Enfianu bi e wa hanga be dan we be pan ntoma. First Peter chapter 5 verse number 14. Bible say open fianu church ya.
Sa.
Abaya na nipa bi. E wonya yesem.
E wo Bible bi say yam fam fianu.
Ah, enye first Peter.
Ni me say don nim.
Ba sa wo wonya yesem twa. Na Bible say wonya masede nyina na nkasa de ne ho. Wo yesa na wo si wonsam kwan. Wo yesa na sika eba. Wo yesa na nyame epagyaw. Wo yesa na wo se ade biara wo hia. So office of one Osaka.
Wow.
What will I say?
En fiano no.
No.
We dey ready come once. Sofo.
I'm a veteran. This man pass what is. Mamba.
Sofo say.
E wonya mesem. Ah, but that's let me shira wa. He said all my confusion. Bible said 33. Okay, 33 na. Bible said na Elisha do fie na para na wuda. Obutu ne so. E da na so. Egu ni. Obu Bible ya spiritual principles. Oh, I got them now. I'm a media house. Or say, see, I'm a new first. I was me all the co media today. Didn't have some imitating.
Who so butu me so.
Me because I saw one who's certain that one seen that one certain. So for Thomas. Oh, yeah, what that was saying, Elisha butu akwa so na no to na no. No butu so, me butu so.
Bible ni.
Yami asem about scriptures. I am not lying. My quote scriptures. Yami asem ya ka Bible. What I say, yeah, come on.
Bra.
Na no bedo ofia.
Me sofu no no. Size ba ko pe pastor ba.
Wanya sofu. Wanya sofu. Waya na.
Size ba ko pe.
Me ne na edu e de me.
Bra.
Wa so le wa. Ma da be na so bi di. Wanya sofu. Wanya sofu. E mo ni chire. Wanya sofu. Wanya sofu.
O me we ye.
Iwe ye don. Wa so le wa. Me ne na edu wo de be ka. Ma pe na chepa. Masa. For me say.
E ka mama ko wa ko na wa hefa.
Me see my bit.
E mo ni chire me. Wa so le wa.
See my bit. Me everybody mo amama ko odingo. We ka sofu.
O se tuma ba ye si mo tia.
Waya na.
Hey, what you want me to do?
So we are messing up. As soon as we are messing up, and so I can't say Paka. Because in here, so you are flow. That's what we play on. Echo for Bible and come any brain. Bruno, so I just go to one. Can you say? I switch a see and I will come out.